Are you tired of scrolling aimlessly? Let's turn that screen time into dollar signs. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, making money online is easier than ever. How? Let's dive in. Freelancing apps like Upwork and Fiverr let you offer services, from writing to graphic design, right from your phone. Got opinions? Apps like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay for your thoughts and product tests. Feeling crafty? Sell your creations on Etsy or flip items on eBay and Mercari. Love making content? TikTok and Instagram can turn views into dollars through ads and sponsorships. Investing more your style? Apps like Robinhood or Acorns let you dip into stocks and ETFs. But remember, do your homework. For flexible gig work, drive or deliver with Uber, Lyft, or DoorDash. Teach or tutor with VIPKid or Cambly, managing classes from your phone. And don't forget affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products online. Finding the right hustle might take some trial and error, but once you do, your phone just might pay for itself. Happy hustling!